Good morning, everybody. I just woke up. Well, no, I did not wake up. I had a really bad nightmare this morning. It was like somehow Ben and I got like kind of kidnapped. I don't know. I don't even know what it was, but then I like woke up and I'm like, good, Ben's here. So I just couldn't sleep because of that. And Charlotte slept somewhat decent last night. She woke up in the middle of the night, started crying. I checked on her and she went right back to sleep. And then she wakes up like 5 o'clock right on the dot, just wants some milk, and then she goes back to sleep. But it's now 8:30. I don't know. I just am not in the mood to do very much. Like, I want to make another shirt today. There's a design that I've been wanting to make. So I might show that, or I might just make a special video for it because a lot of you guys want to do it. I still have to make some Easter stuff. I just got to do it. I just got to do it because I want to have it, the video posted soon. And then I think I'm going to bake a bunch of stuff today. Oh, Grandma. Sorry, you guys. Grandma was talking to me, and then I decided to get dressed and everything. But the kids are outside playing. I just got dressed, just got my makeup on because I feel more refreshed. I feel happier when I have makeup on. So, and today I'm going to do a couple videos, so that's why I wanted to put makeup on. But what I was saying is today I think I'm going to make a bunch of cookies. I'm going to make some brownies. Probably some I feel like baking. I don't feel like cleaning. I just feel like baking today. Just with everything going on. I know everybody feels happier when we bake. So I'm going to probably make some brownies, definitely. Because those are so easy to make. And then I'm definitely going to probably make chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, so I'm going to go get Charlotte outside. Because Graham's like, she needs her diaper changed. I'm like, well, Graham, you can do it. But he doesn't like doing it. It's like, you're an adult. Seriously, grow up. But whatever, so I'm gonna go get Miss Charlotte because she likes me better, so we got that going on. But it's just gonna be a nice relaxing day today, you know. That's all I can say. Relaxing day. Okay, you guys, it is 1:11. Charlotte just woke up from her nap. I made angel food cake and I made jello. I'm also have brownies in the oven right now. I emptied the dishwasher. I reloaded it. I can't ever empty the dishwasher when Charlotte's awake because she likes to crawl in it. So I got that all done. I have a load of laundry in the dryer. Benjamin is outside playing with chalk in the driveway. I was supposed to get a package today and it's somewhere lost between here and Milwaukee. Hold on, honey. So, I don't know where that is, so I got makeup on to do a video with Benjamin for that because he keeps wanting packages, and it's like all the packages that are coming in are for are books for Graham, even though they're for EASTER. So I have another package coming in today with some goodies in it. Yeah. She likes seeing herself on camera. But otherwise, we're just having a nice relaxing weekend. I got the back window open. I got the front window open, just getting that air. There's a jet flying above our house right now, if you guys can hear it. Yeah, they're going so fast. But we're just having a nice relaxing day. I said I was gonna make cookies. I'm still debating on making cookies. I gotta get the recipe card out and see what I should do. But we're just having a nice relaxing day, aren't we, Miss Charlotte? Yeah. So neighbors looking like they're gonna relax in the driveway. That's kind of cool. So 15 minutes until my brownies are done. I gotta let them cool off. But I haven't had angel food cake in forever, you guys, and I can just smell it. It just smells so good. So good. But I gotta let that cool down 100% before I do anything with it. So I'm gonna continue just picking up around the house, just doing things here and there. I feel so much better than yesterday. I don't know what it was. Yesterday I was just in a mood. It was just one of those sad days. I think it was the weather. It was definitely the weather because it was gloomy. It rained outside. Ben's out in his underwear in the front yard right now. So that's all good. Yeah, we're just gonna chill. I should get Charlotte dressed, but sometimes if it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it's not worth it. And then I usually just give her a bath and put fresh pajamas on. So we got that going on, right, Miss Charlotte? Yeah, so see you guys in a little bit. Okay, what's going on outside?
So many jets flying.
It's so many jets outside.
I have underwear on. I have shirt. Should I have the bubble thing in my mouth?
Okay, but yeah, there's like jets just flying high above our house. How many have you seen so far?
No.
You don't know? Like 4?
Yeah, maybe 7 or 8.
Maybe 7 or 8.
1,000!
1,000!
In Paris?
No, Paris not near us.
I saw Paris.
Hey you guys, so the time is 4:19. I just got done making a dessert that I'm only gonna eat it for myself. And it's crazy, but I did make a video for it. The kids already took a bath today because Ben got super dirty with chalk and dirt. So I gave both kids a bath. Miss Charlotte's just crawling on the floor. Ben's again playing on the sidewalk with chalk again. And I'm debating what I want for dinner. I'm thinking of making a hamburger helper just because I got some hamburger that's gonna go bad soon. And then I'm just gonna give myself like 5 minutes of just picking up all the toys around the house real quick. Just because I want to pick them up. And yeah, Ben picks them up. Don't worry, Ben will pick them up, but I'm just picking them up anyways. So Miss Charlotte and I are just chilling. What you doing, me darling? Well, don't walk around the garbage. Okay, I gotta deal with Miss Charlotte. Hey guys, so we are in the car. Ben's been playing outside all day today. Charlotte's a little cranky. I'm just gonna go. I just ordered food on the McDonald's app. Definitely recommend the McDonald's app if you guys don't have it. There's always like something you can get a good deal on it. Like usually you can get $1 large fries, which is an awesome deal. I usually like doing the $2 off at 10. So basically I can get $2 off. I get Ben a Happy Meal, but we're just gonna go for a car ride. And I ordered on my phone, so we're just gonna go park where it tells me to park. But I just need to get out of the house. Just need to get out of the house. So let's see. Hi Jennifer, your order is. So we're preparing, and then you just let them know where it is. So that's where we're gonna go. I'm gonna go pick up my food, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. So we did the mobile order, and you can have the option of either parking or going through the drive-thru. And I thought I'm just gonna go through the drive-thru because then they don't have to walk out the building. So I'm always happy that I checked it before we left because they didn't give me the chicken nuggets. So now I have to go back in the drive-thru and wait, and there's like 4 people in front of me, so whatever. Miss Charlotte's taking a quick nap, which is nice because then she won't be super cranky. So that's just how my day's going. This is how my day's going, but Benjamin's happy, so we'll see you guys in a bit. So you guys, I'm always keeping an eye on the backyard because I'm always trying to find the deer. I just saw some cranes land, and then I went to go see the cranes, and look at the deer are back. It's my famous family of 2. Ben's being a little stinker, but we have some sandhill cranes. Sorry you guys. We have some sandhill cranes that there they are right there. I think it's just the 2 of them. But yeah, we have sandhill cranes that fly in here like crazy, and one flew right above my head the other day, so low to the house, it was crazy. So I'm just looking at the deer. I was just looking in the backyard like 5 minutes ago, and they were not there. Now they're there. Highlight of my day. So yes. Okay, you guys, so I waited to see the deer, and I thought it was a family of 2, and there's actually 5. You can kind of see them moving. Some bikers came down the trail and then they went running, but I did count 5. Now last time I saw that many, there was a family of 6. So I love it. It's such a perfect night outside right now.
Is it about the rain?
No, it's not gonna rain, but it's so nice out here, you guys. Just so nice and relaxing. The weather is perfect. Benjamin's being a stinker, aren't you?
Mom, dummy.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Oh, watch your sister's face. Be careful, Miss Charlotte. Be careful. You gonna come outside? Come on, be careful. Be careful. There you go. There you go. Miss Charlotte's chilling. So the time is now 9:25. I finally got both kids to sleep. Benjamin wanted to hang out with me, so we were watching the Hero of Color City, which was actually pretty interesting because the kid's name was Ben, so Ben was all excited about that. You can just hear the frogs going off. Graham should be home like any minute. I just had a nice relaxing day. We talked to the neighbor a lot. She just kind of stood by and we were just talking, so that was nice. I'm tired, but I'm gonna have a snack. I'm gonna have a popsicle real quick too before I go to bed, but otherwise it was just a nice relaxing day. Did, dishes, I did a load of laundry, I picked up a little bit here and there, so yeah, not much exciting stuff going on when you're quarantined. But Graham's parents are coming over tomorrow. They're gonna drop some stuff off. I asked if they could bring me a green caramel apple smoothie because it's awesome. And so they're just dropping something off. They want to just, I don't know what they're doing, but they're dropping something off. So I'm like, okay, whatever you guys want to do. Sorry, I'm getting in my office chair. I'm like, whatever you guys want to do it. So I don't know, I kind of want to go to the Family Dollar store. We have a Family Dollar / Dollar Tree in my town, but I never really shop there because it's more Family Dollar than Dollar Tree. But husband just messaged me a minute ago. But other than that, you know, nothing special, but I really need to get some milk. So yes. But I will talk to you guys all tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully the weather's nice tomorrow too. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.